That's coming along great. The response has been fantastic at the venues last week. Even though the Vanua Trophy Challenge, there was not, the crowd turnout wasn't as we had expected. But we are trying to amp the pressure up this weekend again. And there's contributions are coming in, donations, and thank you to the people that have come on board to contribute towards this worthy cause. For the WOWS Fiji, we are glad that we can assist the children with cancer in through this initiative by the players. The players have completed their 30 Ks. Whilst they were in London. However, it is for us, this initiative does not stop for us until the end of the World Cup. So we still need partnership and donors to come on board and support the players' initiative for WOWS Fiji.